Hello friends, and welcome to AK Agarwal Aptitude series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem on discount. Friends, here the given problem is a customer has to choose one out of the 4 different discount offers. In which of the following he will attain the maximum benefit? 4 companies are offering 4 different schemes. Company 1, they are offering 10% discount and then 30% discount. Company B, they are offering 20% discount and again 20% discount. Company C, they are offering 25% and 15%, and company D, they are offering 5% and 35% discount. Means all the companies are offering 40% discount, in which case the customer will get the maximum benefit. So just to answer such question, let us assume selling price of the product is rupees 100. If he decides to purchase product A, first he is getting 10% discount, means he has to pay only 90%. So 100 into 0.9, this much he has to pay. But again, if he gets 30% discount, means he has to pay only 70% of this, means into 0.7. This equal to 63. So if he opts option A, he has to pay rupees 63. Now if he opts offer B, 20% and 20%, so first he will get 20% discount, means he has to pay 80%. 100 into 0.8 means rupees 80 he has to pay, and again he is getting 20% discount, means 0.8. This is equal to 64. So total he has to pay rupees 64 to purchase the same article. Now if he opts for C option, then let us see. Initially he is getting 25% discount, means he has to pay 75%, and again he is getting 15% discount, means he has to pay 85% of the remaining. This is equal to 63.75. Now if we see the option D, here first he is getting 5%, means he has to pay 95%, and then he is getting 35%, so he has to pay only 65% of this. This is equal to 61.75. So if he opts option D, he is getting maximum benefit, means he has to pay the minimum price for the product. So answer is D. Friends, here if the question would have been in which case the shopkeeper is getting the maximum benefit, the shopkeeper in which case is getting the maximum benefit. So shopkeeper will get the maximum benefit if he opts option B. If he offers 20%, shopkeeper will get the maximum benefit. So just remember it, the customer will get the maximum benefit if the two successive discounts are having maximum gap between them, then only he will be having the maximum benefit. If discount would have been 40% and 0%, then he has to pay only rupees 60, he will get the maximum benefit. So single discount is always beneficial. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. You can also follow me on Facebook. Thank you very much.